Everybody throw your hands up, up. Boing to the bang to the boing. Everybody's dancing to the noise. Hear the noise!
Wasn't that fun, Knit-Knots? I'll take that as a maybe.
There's nothing boring about having the hiccups. I can't get one bit of work done, and I have lots of boring stories on tape to record.
We'll think of a way to get rid of your hiccups.
Yeah, an exciting way, a fun way.
No, that's why I didn't want to come here.
What's he trying to say?
Egg salad,
Eggs Benedict?
eggs and sausage.
No, too exciting. Fine, I'll let you help. But let's try to make it as unexciting as possible.
Great! So now we have an idea emergency! We need to find a way
Stop Knit-Knot's hiccups.
so he can record his stories.
And that means we need to
Brainstorm! We need good ideas and we need them now. So put your heads together and we'll write them down. There's no bad ideas when you're brainstorming. I can count on you and you can count on me to make our ideas a reality. There are no bad ideas when you're brainstorming. There are no bad ideas when you're brainstorming. Brainstorming here and brainstorming there. Brainstorming upside down or sitting in your easy chair. Reach high, think big, work hard, have fun.
Okay, movers. Who has an idea?
I do. But we need a brown paper bag.
Oh, you mean like this?
Exactly.
I think I know where you're going with this one, Smitty. We'll make a bag puppet that can tell Knit-Knots how to get rid of his hiccups.
Well, it's worth a try. I'll use my scribble sticks.
Hi, I'm Mr. Bag.
Actually, I meant Knit-Knot should breathe into the bag. Sometimes breathing differently can get rid of hiccups.
Breathing into a boring brown paper bag. That idea I like.
Now breathe slowly, in and out.
Did it work?
Did your hiccups go away?
You know, I think my hiccups just might have not gone away.
Well, don't worry. I'm sure the movie